We had a lot of problems with other brands. And then I searched a lot of options until I found your products. And then I got some samples and I started using, and it works very well. Today we use only secondary antibodies from your company. I will recommend it because it was good for me. So we work mainly with transplant perspective. So we do organ transplantation, brain death experiments to see if we can improve the organ conditions for transplantation. This is our main focus. We use a lot of antibodies to research inflammatory processes, cells involved in immune response. These are our main focus. We started with secondary antibodies, these ones that are attached to HRP. We used some fluorescent antibodies, and later I started buying the primary ones. And only maybe we tried some blocking solutions or something like that, but I usually use only the antibodies. We had a representative here in Brazil that starting selling the products from Boster, and they told us, let's try, would you try to use some to see if it's good or not? And then I got some samples and I started using, and it works very well. Today we use only secondary antibodies from your company. Our experience is very good. We do not face a lot of background. There are clean reactions. Our results are mainly good. We use for paraffin sections and also for cryo sections, and both work very well. The main problem that we have in immunohistochemical reactions is this background staining. And we had previously a lot of problems with some brands from which the antibodies caused a lot of secondary reactions, interactions among the tissue from rats. And then we had some false positive reactions, results that did not work in paraffin, despite the sheet saying that it would work. We had a lot of problems with other brands. And then I searched a lot of options until I found your products. Normally I do.
Yeah.
I already do. The price is good in comparison, because in Brazil we have problems with the price because our currency is a lot lower valued in comparison to dollars. And when we buy it, we have two forms of buying it. We can do direct import process, or we have to buy from some company in Brazil. So some of these ways of buying makes everything very expensive. And in comparison to other companies, your prices are better too. I already had a good experience by asking some details about a product, and I had very comprehensive answers. So I will recommend it because it was good for me. But I use it only once because I have a lot of experience of this kind of antibody. So I normally do not need a lot of information.